How to empty trash on iPhone. Is your iPhone running out of space? That's empty trash across photos, mail, and files to free storage instantly. So go ahead and open up the Photos app on your iOS device. So once you open this up, that would take you here. So scroll down to be able to find the albums available for the Photos app. So once you scroll down, you should find that recently deleted folder under utilities. So click on this, and this would take you to the recently deleted archive. So before that, you need to use your Face ID to be able to view your recently deleted. So click on the select button at the top right and then select all of the photos and videos from your recently deleted that you want to delete, and then click on delete, and that would then be removed from your trash. And that is how to empty trash on iPhone.